We're in Brawley. This is gonna be excellent.
We're having a good ride so far.
Restrooms, no. Because your boy's gotta make some boom boom. It's not liquid heat.
Liquid heat in our jocks.
Taking precautions on our...
we got some precautions. Because the heat.
Gold Bond medicated is working just fine in my nether sector. It's down to like 98. Please bring brews. Okay, bye.
Divine fresh brew.
I hope you're recording this.
Oh, it's nice and chilly in here. It's Prescott, it's fine.
It's not. It was rejuvenation.
Big storm system. We're tired.
One more time. Mount Bryan.
Downtown.
Downtown.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is episode 1 of our 5-day ride from San Diego to Durango, Colorado, and back. Enjoy and stay tuned for more episodes. We're in Brawley. Got here pretty quick. This is our first stop, about 125, 130 miles in, 8 a.m.
It's a bit warm.
A little warm,
But
at least it's below 90.
yeah, we haven't hit any major wind pockets.
Yeah, we're about to get on the 78 and head through Glamis. It's going to get a little windy and a little warm, but we're going to make it just fine. Having some breakfast.
Not really breakfast.
Well, tacos. And
I
I mean, it just looks incredible. It's so free.
They're kind of like mini burritos, but that's
Right.
what I wanted.
Exactly. And I got a huevos rancheros with my sweet tortillas.
And this is going to be excellent.
And we're at the Glamis Saloon. It's about 91 degrees, beautiful dunes to our south, on our way to Blythe. About 60 miles that way.
Restrooms, no.
It's working.
No restroom.
No restrooms.
What is it? No public restroom. Your boy's got to make some boom boom.
Oh. We both have liquid heat.
It's not liquid heat.
Liquid heat in our jocks.
You put what?
Liquid heat
On their what?
in their jocks.
That's outrageous.
We got Gold Bond medicated.
Gold Bond medicated.
Or liquid heat.
These are the techniques, the advanced techniques it requires to successfully motorcycle through arid, hot climates.
Had them in.
Right.
So for this part of the ride, we head east from Raleigh through Glamis on the 78, up through Palo Verde, and then on to Blythe. Normally, southeastern California is not renowned for its scenic beauty, but this is actually a pretty nice ride. Not much traffic, big sweeping turns, beautiful views, and infinitely preferable to the 10 freeway.
101 degree ride through Palo Verde. How'd it feel?
We passed a truck delivering hay. I didn't know that hay hurt, but it definitely does when it hits you. Great.
Pretty good ride though.
Yeah,
there was no wind at all.
No traffic, no wind. A bit warm, but
It's a bit warm. And now we're in lovely Blythe.
We just made it to Salome, familiar stop from our Prescott ride last year.
stop number 3. Just because we're missing Mountain Bryan, it would have been stop number 9.
And that's why we're here about 5 hours sooner than we were last year.
Correct. We still miss him,
Yes.
but it's only stop 3. Wait, check up.
It's about 103 degrees.
Update right here.
Update.
Gold Bond medicated is working just fine in my nether sector.
And we're gonna go have a nice ice cold refreshment because we're both
Melting.
Let's do it. Oh, it's down to like 98. Please bring brews.
AEF. Always be filming.
You just made that up.
But it works.
It doesn't work.
It works.
What if you're doing a deucer?
Well, no, that's
So what you're saying is, we're gonna have another.
I'll see you later, babe.
Okay, bye.
Oh, I didn't see you, honey. I'm sorry.
Divine fresh brew.
Yeah.
We're at the SP Market.
Oh, this is gonna be glorious. Thank you.
You need.
Oh,
I hope you're recording this. We're just below Prescott. Get some Gatorade water. The wonderful lady up front said, go right into the beer cooler.
And brilliant.
Here we are.
And it feels amazing in here.
This has been my favorite part of the ride.
This is pretty great. Just about 39.
We just left the sub 40 degree beer freezer. That was a nice, refreshing body cool down because it was just about 102 the entire ride up to 60. About to start our climb up to Prescott.
This ride up to 89, where we start to climb up into elevation, leaving the arid desert floor behind us, and we start to climb up into the mountains. It's really, really pretty. Once you get up to this plateau up here, you're at a much higher elevation, the temperature drops drastically, and the scenery just gets really, really nice. It's a really pretty ride. And we get up to about 5,300 feet elevation when we approach Prescott.
So we made it to,
Prescott.
it's Prescott, that's fine.
It's not Dak Prescott, it's Dak Prescott.
Cooler here than it was.
Compared to 104, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's like 88, it's a lot better. There's the courthouse, not City Hall.
Not City Hall.
I was corrected last time, thank you. Pretty great.
And we were at the birdcage.
And we're gonna go to the birdcage. At the birdcage.
Love the birdcage.
We're almost done with our ride. We made it 9/10 of the way there. Favorite part of the ride today so far?
That's easy.
The freezer?
Beer cooler.
The beer cooler. Okay, apart from stops, what was your favorite part of the ride?
Probably the climb here is incredible. It's gorgeous. There's no cars.
Everything's super
it's
green.
Freshly paved.
Yeah.
Beautiful views.
Everybody's invited.
Everybody's invited.
Now turn left.
That big storm system. We missed it. Here's the sign to Williams. We're about to get on the 40 and head east. We're almost there. The El Rancho Motel. Very nice check-in lady. We're tired.
We're beat.
And we got a pretty sweet room. Got the corner, got the AC going. It's gonna cool down nicely tonight because we're at almost 7,000 feet. But yep, this is gonna work just fine.
Where are we at?
Williams at the Wild West Junction
Buffalo.
and Buffalo Skins.
So,
Cheers.
appetizer might be dinner. I don't know. We'll see. One more time.
Cheers, good ride today. What do we get?
All right, we got potato skin. Looking incredible.
Those do look delicious.
Massive. We
Awesome.
got 2 pounds of rib tips. It's a 2-for-1 special. It looks incredible.
That's a lot of food. That's incredible. Yeah, I don't think we need dinner.
Pretty much dinner.
Wow.
Wrapped up.
Excellent. I think we're eating healthy. We got some salad from it.
Salad. Very little dressing.
And our tribute to Matt Brad. Wish I had that on video. Downtown. Downtown. Williams.
Cooling off.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for further episodes into our Durango, Colorado trip. Episode 2 coming up next, Grand Canyon, and then arrive in Durango, Colorado. Please click like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And hope to catch you on the next one. Thank you.